Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to fit strut bar to M2 F87, F87 with the N55 engine. Yeah, this is how it looks. So I've got this part already fitted. So just loosen 1, 2, 3 bolts of the strut. Put these two parts, so you have to lift that part, and there is another one. Well, I didn't expect it's gonna make a big difference, but I have a strut bar in 82 and it really feels tighter, so I got to like this. I know this car had this as well, so I was thinking about adding that from M4. If you put this strut bar and you've got already that, maybe it would be okay to put another one in front. Maybe in the future I will think about it. We'll see. At the moment I like it. It's really tight. So I hope it's gonna be enough. So where I bought it was very cheap, about €60. This is the company. It's made in Poland, and if you check it, it's Swagger.com, and this is the strut bar. I think you can buy it on eBay as well, so it would be much cheaper than some other fancy brands. I really like it, and don't mind the mess. Really nicely made. Bolts are nice as well. Okay, so the strut bar is like this. And just need 2 bolts in here and just tight it. It's gonna be just a bit. I'm gonna have to fit it properly, but it's about, I don't know, 5mm maybe over the engine cover, but it's made perfectly, so it fits like a glove. Okay, so I've got charge pipe fitted. It's not exactly perfect fit, because there is maybe 1mm space between this, but it should be okay if it's on the seal side. It should be fine. So I'm gonna have to fit just these parts. I don't know what they are. So, well, we'll see. The problem was that I couldn't lift the fan or remove it. I couldn't lift it only till here, and that's it. It helps me a little bit, not a lot. I still couldn't fit the charge pipe, so yeah, the charge pipe is over there. I don't think you want to see it. Yeah. So I had to remove the intercooler as well. I'm gonna show you how it looks on the bottom. Okay, so I have it fitted. Look at that. It's not even, I think, 5mm. It's very tight. Very nice. It's 270mm. Look at that. It cost me really not a lot. It's tight. This is how it should be. So maybe M4 is better for the strut, if you ask me, for the parts, but this is really nice, cheap, and I feel the car is tighter in the corner, so why not? Okay, so thanks for watching, and if you want, just buy the strut bar and you will be happy for 50 euros, something like this, 50, 60, yeah, something like this, maybe more on eBay, plus shipping, I don't know, taxes, but it's still cheap, so I really recommend. Okay, thanks guys for watching, subscribe, thumbs up, and wait for another videos. Cheers.